Hello, my family out there. I hope all of you are doing well. It's your girl again, Yoko Bellissima. On today's kitchen, I'm preparing peanut butter soup or granulare based soup. Or in Ghana, we call it nkatonkwan. So let's go on with our ingredients. I'm going to use chicken, sheep meat, and then fresh salmon. I have onion, cherry, tomatoes, red bell pepper, Scottish pepper, ginger, garlic. That's my peanut butter, my spices, tomato paste, and then salt to taste. So let's start with our recipe for today. So I'm putting my meat inside my pot. I've already washed it. My chicken and then my sheep meat. I'm adding my spices to it. I'll write all the ingredients below the description box for you to try it. Don't worry, I'll not left you behind, okay? List everything that I'm using. Then add my cherry and my one maggi cube. And 1 teaspoon my classico. So I'm going to cut. Let me put this one aside here. Cutting half of my onion. Half of onion, then cut the rest of the half, then blend it. That's my ginger. Garlic. I'm adding my Scottish pepper to season my meat. Let's add a little bit of water. Just a little bit. Then we blend it. So I'm pouring my blended items in my meat. Just a little bit of water to raise it. Okay. And a little bit of salt to taste. Okay. Just a little bit of water. It's okay. Right now my meat is on fire. Right now I'm cutting my onion and then boil it. Here's my tomatoes. I'm using 1.5. cut my half of red bell pepper together with my onion and then tomatoes. It's going on fire. So it's time for me to mix my peanut butter and then my tomato paste. I've already heated my water a little bit. I'm adding everything inside the water. Not too much, just a little bit. And after we cook it, then one tablespoon of tomato paste. Use your hands to mix it. Until it's very smooth. Mix everything well with the water. Other people prefer using the peanut butter straight inside the pan, but I prefer boiling it separately. I have to cook it separately before I pour it onto my meat. Okay. You have to put it on fire and then continue stirring it until it's cooked. When it's cooked, you will see the oil has come out on top of the peanut butter. Then you can see that it's cooked. Yeah? Very simple and delicious. Let's check our meat. My chicken, then my sheep meat. It's not cooked. The chicken is too hot. Let's leave it for another 10 minutes. Guys, check our peanut butter. It's ready. I'm going to transfer it straight away. Let me use a little bit of water here. Just look at our soup. The thickness depends on you. If you want it very thick, don't add too much of water. If you want it a little bit lighter, then you add more water to it. I prefer mine a little bit thicker. I'm not going to use any water again. I'm going to blend my tomatoes and onions and then transfer it to it. No problem. I'm adding my tomatoes and onions. I'll let it cook for 15 minutes, then I add my fresh fish to it. Cover it up. Minute, I'm adding my fresh fish to it. My fufu is ready. Hey, fufu with granule soup or peanut butter soup. Come for yours. Yes, thanks. Okay. That's how we eat our fufu here. Guys, our peanut butter soup is ready. It's serving time. Going to enjoy it with my fufu. Hey, fufu, yeah. Two bits of fish. Where is my meat? Yes, come here. Hey. Here. Come and let's enjoy our fufu. Yes, with the hands. Come and enjoy it. Walnut soup. Ready. Eating time. That's how we do it here in Bellissima kitchen. Yeah. So delicious. I hope you'll try it for me, It's very delicious. Try it. If today is the first time of watching this video, please like to this channel, share, comment, and subscribe. For those who have already subscribed to this channel, I say I love you and I thank you very, very much. You are all invited. See you next time, okay? Very hot.